Why and how I started live streaming apps or opportunities. Many people may be asking the same questions. So I've decided to make video on that to explain why and how I started it. A colleague of mine a few years back introduced me to Poppo Life. So when she brought the idea, she downloaded it in my phone. So I was like, what kind of app is this? It's so clumsy. But after when I relaxed a bit, I started studying it one after the other. I then realized that it was a live streaming app that people can earn from. So when I started my research on live streaming apps, I got to know that Popo Live is a social live streaming app that people broadcast live videos. So they also watch other creators live stream and chat with streamers. So there so many things they do on Popo Live, which is legal. It is not illegal. You can send and receive gifts from viewers using in-app coins. Okay, so we buy in-app coins and exchange with others. So the app is very legit. You earn money as a creator and from platform rewards. Okay, so how do you learn from platform rewards, or how do you earn from platform rewards? You earn by going live yourself. You do certain tasks. You can also play games that will reward you. Do you understand? So that's Popo Life and Crush Life for you. There are social live streaming apps where people chat with others and earn, and that earning can be converted to real money. So how does it work? Viewers watch live streamers go live. You can interact and chat with them. They can as well give you gifts, which is known as virtual gifts. So that's it. And is it safe? Yes, it is very safe. I can say it is 99.9% safe, but you as a person or as a host, you should be careful, you should be cautious, because there are scammers in the app that when you send gifts to them in form of exchange, they will leave your panel, they will not return the gift. So that's the kind of challenge we face in Popo Life. But in Crush Life is not the same. Why? Because you gift yourself. You don't gift, do exchange. You don't look for anybody to do exchange with. You gift yourself. Okay, so that's why it is you as a person, as a host, you have to be very cautious. So after my research, I entered fully, and that was when I became an agent. So as an agent, I recruit hosts. When they do their tasks, I receive a commission from the platform. So if you are still not sure of what live streaming is all about, what is the truth? That is the simple truth I just told you. They are all legit way of making money, earning income as a side hustle and part-time. You can do it anywhere, in the office, in the kitchen, on the road, anywhere. At the end, you'll be rewarded for that. Okay. So if you want to join, it's not hard. I'll leave my agency IDs in the description box for you to join. Okay. So if you are new here on this channel, we talk about live streaming opportunities, Christian and inspirational content. Okay, so if that's the kind of content you enjoy, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like the videos, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our uploads. Okay, so we are talking about live streaming opportunities, how and why I started it. I just took it as something that can keep me busy, something that can occupy me for a time being. So I didn't know I can venture into it fully. So, but as it is now, I am enjoying it. Okay, so you can do same. All right. It's not only meant for people in Nigeria, it cuts across the whole world. Okay, it's not meant for a particular region. It is a legit way of earning online, so don't be scared. Okay, the only thing I advise my downliners is, if you have to do exchange, do it in a panel that you are conversant with the people there, you are familiar with the agency. Okay, so to avoid scammers getting out, running away with your money. So many people have lost millions just because they're sent to people and they run away with their money. So that's what I advise my downliners. So aside this, running away with your gifts when you exchange with people is safe. Okay, is safe. So if you are interested in joining the app, just type "I'm interested" or Poppo life or Crush life in the comment section, and we will kick off from there. Please don't forget to like this video, okay, and turn on the notification bell. Also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. See you in our next video. Bye for now.